It's so much fun. I just love it. Morning, John.
How have you got so much energy?
Well, it didn't used to be like this, but now I train my sleep with the Galaxy Watch8.
That's right. A better day starts the night before. Say hello to the Galaxy Watch8. The first step to a healthier life is better sleep. With the most comfortable Galaxy Watch ever. So you can sleep like it's not even there. Now that we're close, let the training begin. Good morning. Okay, well, maybe just morning. All right, interesting score.
Is this good?
You didn't sleep enough. Also, not deep enough. Nothing a few small changes can't fix. What about cutting down on caffeine today? That's it. Baby steps.
Relax.
Maybe some meditation?
Let go.
Good one. Based on your past 3 nights' sleep results, you'll sleep really well if you get to bed in 2 hours. Aren't you forgetting something more important? Health tracking continues even while you sleep. All you need to do is keep wearing your watch. So rest up. I'll take it from here. Bioactive sensors track so many important aspects of your health. Sleep, nutritional status, even how your heart is doing. This seems fine. But this, on the other hand, now that you've had a closer look, let's get to work. Good choice. I see those healthy thoughts kicking in. A little low. Let's get you some veggies.
Not too bad, actually.
Right? When you sleep well, you perform well. You're up early. And I have good news for you. Look at that score. Up for something more challenging today?
Should I go for a run?
Love the enthusiasm. But first, let's check your current level. And done. Not bad. That's a great start. You can follow this coaching program tailored to your goals. Starting now. You're going faster than your target pace. Don't push yourself too hard. Halfway done. Keep going. Nice job.
Morning. Hey Google, find the most popular run club nearby and send a link to Katie asking her if she wants to join. Come on guys, one more lap.
What was a cool best?
Run today guys, new personal best.
Hey John,
Morning.
what's up with all this energy?
Oh, thing is I wasn't always like this.
Here we go.